Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a package inside Python which actually interacts with the YouTube data API and analytics API to get the information regarding any YouTube video. So basically I pasted this API key inside this Python script. So what this Python script does, you actually paste whatever video you want to get information. So I pasted this video ID, if you see, of a certain YouTube video. Let me show you the video here. So we will get all this information regarding this video, such as you will see the title of the video, the number of likes, the number of comments. So as I run this Python script here, you will see python app.py. All this information will be fetched and it will be saved inside this video data.json file. If I see that this, if new file will be created, and inside this file here you will see the title, description, publish, the number of views, number of likes, number of comments. So all this information will be stored right here. You will see it is now matching it 73,000 likes. You will see that comments, you can see. So in this way you can see that it is actually grabbing this all this information, and the module that we are using right here for this, if you go to this python dash YouTube, this is actually the module here. Simply execute this command, just go to your command line and simply paste this to actually first of all install this module. I have already done that, and now I will show you the script here. It's very easy to do. You first of all import the JSON module, and then we import this module which is py YouTube. From this we import this API, and then we simply define a function which will be get video data, and to this function we will pass the video ID, and then we will initialize the API here. And for initializing it here we need to simply pass the API key. So this API key you can easily get inside your Google Cloud Console. Just create a API key. I have already created one. So simply copy this API key, and this will be coming from your own Google Cloud Console. So don't copy my API key. And then after that, initializing it, now you can actually get all this information. So there is a function right here inside this get video by ID. So it fetches the video ID. Here you just need to specify the video ID that the user has given you, and now after that we can extract the relevant information such as the title of the video, the description, everything. You will see title, description, publish ad, thumbnail, URL, channel title, view count, like count, dislike, everything. It can be fetched here. You will see how easy it is to fetch all this information. So I have given the script guys in the description of the video. So if you need the full script, you can go to the description. So we declare this object here, video data, which contain all these properties: title, description, view count, like count, comment count. And just after that, we simply save this information into a JSON file. So let me say video data JSON dump. So we dump all this information into a JSON file, and then we simply return the video data. Now we just need to call this. So inside our main function we simply provide a video ID. So whichever video you are working here, so this is, you go to a particular video and this is actually the video ID. So simply copy this video ID. To get the relevant information, simply paste it. After that you will get your data. Simply call this function get video data, passing this video ID, and then we simply print out that data fetched and saved to video data.json. So now what happens if I delete this file here? And let's suppose I take my own video. So if I type here freemediatools.com, and let's suppose I take one of my popular videos here, go to popular, Let me take this video. For example, I copy this video ID, paste it, and once again run this script here. You will see that. So this will be created, and you will see view count is 3,307, likes 31, comment is 5. So you can match it. It is perfectly fetching all this information. So in this easy way, guys, it's a great module in Python to interact with the YouTube data and analytics API. And with this module, you can do more things as well. But I showed you a very basic example of fetching the information regarding a particular YouTube video. You can even fetch information regarding the channel. You can search videos as well. So it's a great module. Just play with this module inside the Python. And also check out my website, which is freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools, and I will be seeing you in the next video.